Immerse yourself in a breathtaking home theater experience with the Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 channel 1000W soundbar. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. This powerhouse audio system is designed to bring cinematic sound right into your living room with its dual 10-inch wireless subwoofers, for rear surround speakers, and cutting-edge Dolby Atmos and DTS-X technology. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, this system delivers explosive bass and high-definition surround sound that fills every corner of the room. Equipped with 1000 watts of peak power, the Shockwafe Ultra provides an immersive 360-degree soundscape that places you at the center of the action. Unlike traditional soundbars, its 9.2.4 channel configuration ensures every detail is heard with clarity, depth, and precision. The dual subwoofers work wirelessly, eliminating cable clutter while delivering deep, earth-shaking bass that transforms your audio experience. Setting up the Shockwafe Ultra is a breeze. Thanks to its plug-and-play simplicity, you can enjoy a premium cinema-like atmosphere in minutes. The 4 rear speakers create a true surround sound experience, allowing you to feel every whisper, explosion, and musical note as if you're in the middle of the scene. Whether mounted on a tabletop or positioned around your space, this system enhances your entertainment with its sleek design and cutting-edge performance. Perfect for audiophiles, gamers, and movie enthusiasts, the Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra is built to deliver premium sound without compromise. Experience thunderous bass, crystal clear highs, and fully immersive audio that takes your content to the next level. Don't settle for ordinary soundbars, elevate your home theater with the Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.